Hello, everybody. It's Sarah Cray, and welcome to day 10 of our 12 days of giveaway. This truly has been such a fun ride. I'm sad that we're actually nearing the end because it's been months in the making. I think we had this idea back in July, and I've been kind of ordering product and curating these things and trying to make sure that this was a really fantastic experience for you guys because it's just so fun. So if you don't know what we're doing, we are celebrating you guys and small businesses by doing 12 days giveaways from these companies that I've come to know and love over the years. And one today is very, very special to my heart, actually. This is a Louden Art Board, okay?
Okay.
So years ago, I was having extreme nerve pain in my neck. And so because when you're hunched over a desk painting for hours and hours, like I have been for work, I started to get all jacked up. That was also during a very stressful and grief-filled period of my life when my bonus dad unexpectedly passed away. I think that grief was manifesting in pain in my neck as well, which is why it was really difficult. And so I was on the lookout for an art board, one that can sit up, because if you can sit up while you paint, that's much better for your neck and your posture and your nerves and all that kind of stuff. So I found this on Etsy. And when it came in the mail, I was so blown away by its quality. This is handmade with like true love. And the owner of this Etsy shop, he's so fantastic. And I just wanted to also say a little thank you to you guys, because what I hear from him and actually other small businesses, whenever I like tag them, when, you know, I get one of their stuff and I'm like, oh, I got this. Thank you so much. It's from this, whatever. They are blown away by the community that we have here at Let's Make Art. The kindness, the support, the excitement, the passion. Like I have received comments multiple times just saying how wonderful this community is, the Facebook group, everything. And I just wanted to say a thank you to you guys for being that way. I love knowing that we can support small businesses. And I love also knowing that I'm introducing them to a community that really, really cares. And, I don't know, it's really special. So anyways, the reason why I love this board so much is it's an art board, which means that it can move, right? And what is so great about this is it can stand up. So this is magnet, and then there's different angles that you can stand this up here. So you can pick the angle that you want. And then the other fantastic thing is that it swivels.
Whoa.
Okay. The quality on these are fantastic. And with watercolor, you might say, can you paint watercolor sitting up? Absolutely, you can. The benefit of having something that can be at an angle is you can actually control the water thing. So if I'm doing a really heavy wash, and I'll just show you guys really quick. If I'm doing a really heavy wash, I can grab, I'm messing up my thing, but I'm putting paint here. And then if I want that color to spread, all I have to do is I can just lift it up and it stays taped like so. And if I don't want it to spread, I'll just keep it flat until it dries, and then you can lift it up, because a lot of the times our really, really wet portions of our painting happen in the first or second step. And then when we do layering and glazing and details, that's usually wet on dry. So that's when you can prop your thing up. So the versatility is fantastic. It is just a really wonderful item. The other thing is there's this handle here. So if you have tight space at home, this can be your art desk. So you can just paint this, you can set this up, and then when it's time to leave, you just pick this up, put it off to the side, and then you can bring this back when you're ready to paint. So
it's like a modern easel. It's like a modernized easel.
It's a modernized easel that can go on your desk. It also comes with like a carrying bag, all of this kind of stuff. This one is mine, which is why it has paint smeared on it and all that kind of stuff. So don't worry, the winner will get a brand new one. But it really is such a great product, and the owner is just truly a really wonderful person that I've come to know, and he's so kind. So I'm so excited to give someone the opportunity to have this, because it's really just a wonderful tool. So, Michael.
Ready?
Are you ready? That's the question. Are you guys ready to see who is going to win a Louden Art Board?
The winner of the Louden Art Board is Michael Cray. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
This is rigged.
Can I get another?
This whole thing is rigged.
Can I get another drum roll, please? The real winner is Aaron Miller.
Aaron Miller, congratulations. We are super excited to get this in the mail to you. Again, this is something that you can rotate, lift. It's going to help with posture. Birdie has a chew toy. She's really excited too. Anyways, it's a wonderful, wonderful item. I love it so much. And it's great for your watercolor practice. If you guys are interested in looking at Louden Art Boards, you can check the website that we have here in the caption. Remember, these are handmade. I mean, like the amount of work that goes into this, I can't even truly fathom. So don't be disheartened if there's none in stock. He usually does small batch drops every so often. So just kind of get on his email list if that's something you want to do.
Someone who appreciates fine engineering, that thing is a marvel. It's excellent.
It is excellent. And I think that's why I started talking about it, because I got this and I'm like, oh my gosh, the quality is insane. So anyways, I love it when you meet people who are passionate about their craft and you can tell it in what they do. And it's really a special thing to see. And so I love that we can introduce you to this, because you can just tell when you see it, when you feel it, that this is someone who really cares, and it's special. So anyways, so excited. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for being such a wonderful community that many businesses, people, what have you, let me know like, wow, this community is really special. And I'm like, oh, it's so great. So thank you for being yourselves. And we will see you back here for day 11.
Yes.
All right. Thank you guys so much. Bye.